Hi guys, I'm gonna be doing my everyday makeup. I don't wear makeup every day. I rarely ever wear makeup now. I'm really lazy to put on makeup. It's such a process to put it on and then take it off. Not here for that. But this is the makeup that I do when I decide to wear makeup. When I go and take pictures with my friends to post on Instagram, this is the makeup that I would do. It's very simple. It's like not that much makeup. It's just like a very natural look. And I feel like it just looks really good on anyone. So the first thing that I do is I have two little baby beauty blenders. I'm gonna list all these products below because I kind of suck. I like telling you what they are. The first thing that I use is the Garnier Skin Renew Roller. It's in the shade Light Medium. I think this is the only shade they have. And I put it under my eyes. The reason why I use two different beauty blenders is because I use one to like put the product in and I use the other to kind of like blend it out. I just get one of the beauty blenders and I just kind of like use that to like, you know, do this. I don't like to blend it in all the way, as you can see. I leave kind of like a lot on. So I use the other beauty blender to blend out like these edges, if that makes sense. So it's more like, you know, blended. The next thing that I use is this. It's the Revlon Colorstay concealer in the shade Medium, I think. I put this over the other concealer. I do the same thing with this. I blend it in. I read it online somewhere that models don't use foundation. They just use concealer for like their under eyes and like any pimples that they have. That's why I started doing this. The next thing that I use is the, I can't say this brand. It's the yves Saint Laurent, I don't know, YSL, whatever. It's a touche eclat radiant touch like concealer highlight thing. It's not really concealer. What I use it for is I put it on the high points of my face to highlight. My little button doesn't work anymore, so I can't even use it anymore. There's product in here, but I can't get it out because like the button won't push it out. So I'm just gonna explain what I do with it, but not actually do it because I can't. But I would put it like on the bridge of my nose. I put it right like in here, and then I put it here because that's where I highlight, but I can't do that, so I'm not gonna. Oh, there we go. I got some out of it. I definitely recommend this. It works so good. I don't know, it really does make you glow. I just don't want to buy it again because it's like $40 and I don't have that kind of money to be spending on concealer like this, but if you have the money, I recommend it. It's a really good product. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my face, and I like to use the Rimmel Stay Matte translucent powder in the color translucent. Before I set my face, I like to get rid of any wrinkles that I probably got under my eyes from the time that I applied my concealer, because it does kind of wrinkle up. So I like to like get rid of any wrinkles that I can, and then I set it like immediately. I look so washed out because the lighting outside is so bad. Like my face looks so pale. That is what I do for foundation, just concealer. So the next thing that I do is my eyebrows, and my eyebrows are really bushy right now, as you can see. So we're just gonna work with them. So I use this little spoolie, I think it's what they're called, spoolie, and I brush out my eyebrows, and when they're bushy like this, it's kind of hard to work with them. I use the NYX Sculpt and Highlight Brow Contour thing. So what I do is I kind of just like barely touch my eyebrows. It's really dark, so if you do this heavy-handed, you're gonna have some caterpillars on your eyebrows, and that's not cute. My eyebrows are so bushy. I don't even know where to fill them in because I have so much hair. But whatever. The bronzer that I use is the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the color Elvis Duran. It's literally like, I love it so much. It's so good. My alternative to this is the, what is it called? Oh, I don't even think I have it in my bag, but it's like the NYX Sunny Bronze bronzer. Like that's the one that I used all the time before this one, because it's like exactly the same and it's just like $3 rather than like however much this is. You see that line right there? You can kind of see it. It's like there's a line right there. Everybody has it. It's more defined on some people than others. You can't really see mine, but it's there somewhere. That's where I put my bronzer. And you will see that I'm not very precise with my makeup. I kind of just like throw it on my face and go. hate when my camera it does that when it focuses on something in the background, but there's nothing there. Ghost. Kind of blend it, you know. Wow, you guys are gonna watch this video and be like, why are you making YouTube videos? I don't know. It's an E47 and I use this to contour my nose. So I will go back into the bronzer and then I just kind of like do this. This is what I do. Go like this. You know, blend it into my nose. A little brush and like blend it into my nose. So now I'm going to like pause my face and move on to my eyes. I do my makeup very weird. This is just what I do. Instead of putting on blush and highlighter, I'm gonna skip that and go back to my eyes. So I'm using this really bad brush. It's just like a blending brush. It sucks. And then I'm gonna use my bronzer as my eyeshadow. I started doing this and now like I don't even touch any of my makeup palettes. I'm just gonna put it on my eye. Like there's no technique to this. I just pack it onto my eye like this. I'm gonna go back with that Sigma brush, do the same thing, put it on the bottom. I'm being messy with it because I feel like it doesn't really matter where you put it. You don't have to be a makeup artist to do it. Anybody can do it. It's so easy. Like you don't even need a mirror. Sometimes I'll be watching some makeup videos on YouTube and I'm like, wow, I wish I could recreate this, but like we all know it's not gonna turn out like how the video looks. I haven't really done my wing liner in like 8 months. It's so stressful to wing my eyes. Like I just can't do it anymore. It causes too much stress on me. So now I'm just gonna use this and I'm gonna line my lower lash line and like my upper lash line also. Now I'm gonna do mascara. This mascara is like the best mascara ever. I haven't been watching any YouTube videos. I've been out of like the YouTube game, so I don't know like any new makeup products that work good. My mom bought this mascara and she said it sucked because it didn't work on her, so she gave it to me and it's the best mascara ever. I never use my Scandalized mascara, and like if you guys know me, this Scandalized mascara is my favorite mascara ever. Excuse my AC. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar X Fiber mascara. These are my eyelashes now. This is the first side, that's the second side, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna apply the first side. That's one layer, and now we're gonna use the other side. This is literally one layer of mascara, and I put mascara on my bottom lashes. I know some people don't do that, but like I cannot go about my day without putting mascara on my bottom lashes. I just feel like your makeup is so incomplete without it. I'm gonna go back to my face and put on blush. These are all the same products that I used 3 years ago in my tutorials. I always use the same exact products because I fall in love with something and I hate buying new things and not liking it, so I stick with the same things. It's literally like almost done. If you guys have any blush recommendations, let me know. I'll probably still buy this one. I use this brush. It's an angled blush brush. I use the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Siberian Gold, and I use the Morphe M510 brush. Yeah, I have to sneeze, I have to sneeze. Okay, I put it on the bridge of my nose, right here. I hate getting pimples, like right here, because when I put highlighter on it, they just show so much more because like the reflection is like bouncing off the pimple and it's not a look. And then I like to get this big powder brush. I go over my face to like blend it all together. Well, at least that's what I think it's doing. It's probably just messing up my makeup. I don't know, I just feel like it makes it more whatever. There you have it. That is how I do my makeup. Selfie makeup, photo shoot makeup, everyday makeup. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know, like it, subscribe, do all that stuff. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.